All parties in the matter of Fiat Marina is suing her neighbor, 16-year-old Scott Maurice, and his father Michael.